it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we're here with Devin the Dakta. Yeah, man, Devin the Dakta. What is? I don't think it's a war song. I don't think it is. The one name Return of the Mummy. It's a visualizer. Yes, man. Return of the Mummy. Yeah, man. Watch it now. Me not gonna be one of those who only look at Devin music. I react to Devin music when time him in a field, cause him bigger than that. Devin is very talented, bro. So I'm gonna be one of those who I gotta just react to Devin's song them, even when it's a normal song. You see me? Cause him more than deserve it, bro. He's been at it for a number of years, and he's been fight a number of years. So I'm here to help push him back out there. Yes. So let's jump in one and see what Devin deal with. Yeah, man. Devin the Dakta, Return of the Mummy. Let's go, man. Let's get it.
Derby squad.
Yeah.
The youths them will get pushed aside, you know.
True.
Time for reclaim what powers. Faith and courage.
That's all.
Try to stop me, but them can't do it. Some a buy that locked up on the car seat. Them know I'm bad from in high school days, so them try to talk to stop me heartbeat.
So they must say, yo, them a try if you stop him. From high school days, them a try, bro, because him been bad, you see me? But them can't do it. That's why him buy the Glock up on the car seat, him not left it, you see me? Yeah, man, them a try if you stop him heartbeat, but that can't work neither. If we not try it already, if we not try it already and not stop it, now stop it now, dog.
Them know I'm bad from in high school days, so them try to talk to stop me heartbeat. Them try to block so me get dark feet. You can hear the revenge in my heart speak.
Man say, yo, them try to block so me get dark feet. You get it? Black, dark. Alright, let's go.
Them try to block so me get dark feet. You can hear the revenge in my heart speak. When you hear the return, I know the Lord this. When me call it, when you hear return, I mommy, return with the first way you burn time, son. If on the journey, me learn, said the world like bloody. Keep a burn, I preserved, and me third eye running. Return, I.
Binds!
The youths them will get pushed aside, you know.
Big up yourself, Devin.
Time for reclaim what powers.
Yeah, man, reclaim it. Bumbleclad. Yeah, man, ready?
Try to stop me, but them can't do it. Some a buy that locked up on the car seat. Them know I'm bad from in high school days, so them try to talk to stop me heartbeat. Them try to block so me get dark feet. You can hear the revenge in my heart speak. When you hear the return, I know the Lord this. When me call it, when you hear return, I mommy, return with the first way you burn time, son. If on the journey, me learn, said the world like bloody. Keep a burn, I preserved, and me third eye running.
Keep a burner reserve on the third year running. So him a tell us him dep on him P's and Q. Him have something close to him if he wire them if them ramp with him. Yeah.
Return, me learn, said the world like bloody. Keep a burner reserved, and me third eye running. Return, I mommy.
Return, I mommy. What? Return, I. Yeah.
Return, I.
Tell them, Devin, ready?
Yo, it is if me, it is if it do it better. So me squeeze the trigger, me squeeze for release pressure. Please.
Pussy clad. Me no fear react to them song, your dog. Oh, like, oh.
Return, I. Return, I. Yo, it is if me, it is if it do it better. So me squeeze the trigger, me squeeze for release pressure. Please, somebody ya please fi tell this niggas man a beast and a disrespect fi deliver them.
Yo, please somebody please tell the. I will tell them. I will blood clot tell them. Yo, the man say on a relax on a bumbo class self him a beast in a this. So when time when I approach with caution. Him also say in a one different way when me I said this time. He must say yo respect. He must say show no blood clot respect and put respect by the name. Yeah, alright. Him say that part. Alright, let's go.
Did you please fi tell this niggas man a beast and a disrespect fi deliver them a past life. Hard eyes from a dark fight.
And also he might tell us that them thing are going from in past life, bro.
Resurrect, transform, not the past life. When me do, but the formula fi got our time. Me touch time, and the transform, not the past life. When me do, but the formula fi got our time.
Bumbleclad. He must say him borrow the torch. I forgot. Him borrow the farm. What him say? Hold on, wait. I made a mistake. Hold on.
Hard eyes from a dark fight. Resurrect, transform, not the past type. When me do borrow the formula, we got our time.
Borrow the formula, we got torch time. All right. Borrow the formula, we got torch time. So, what am I say so? I don't want to get the party wrong, you know. Comment section, help me out. What am I say so? Because we know say torture, alkaline talk that. And him say formula, that alkaline talk also. Borrow the formula, we got torch time. So, who him got torture? Over formula and borrow, we got torture. Am I getting that part right? Let me know, man.
Resurrect, transform, not the
Past type. Borrow the formula, we got torch time.
Me thought time at the last time. Keep calm. Chess game me ya play them upon. Me press play.
Man say a chess game me a play them a pawn, bro. Them weak.
Keep calm. Chess game me ya play them upon. Me press play make it 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. No chess play no the deer that's a gun. Fresh taste blood clot in a palm. Wreck to no call 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Headspace on my plan piece a con. Them swears I'm a gone till them here. Return I mommy. Return with the first way you burn time son. If I journey me learn said the world like bloody. Keep a burn up reserved and me third eye running. Return I mommy. Return I. Return I. Return I. Can't test me, you better relax. The J-lock, I knew what the J's hot.
Pussy claw, you can't test me, you better relax, brother. The G-lock, anywhere the G sat. He must say him have the Glock. Him have the Glock on him lock. Anywhere him sit down. Anywhere him there. Anywhere you see him have it. Don't run up pussy. Rapport with caution. No.
Can't test me, you better relax. The J-lock, I knew what the J's hot. Tell all who asleep on me the dream stop. Alarm go off, for no better give me clock.
Yeah, man. All who asleep on the G career. All who asleep on him talent. When you wake up, you know, the dream stop.
Tell all who asleep on me the dream stop. Alarm go off, for no better give me clock. Jai bones up, we gotta bring pop. One man arm me ready for fling shot. Gun on me girl pan cock. Papa me for the moms lean back.
Pussy clot. Man saying gun and him girl pan cock. You get it? Gun the pan cock. Ready for shoot and him girl the pan hood. Cock. Get it? Pussy clot. Alright, Devin.
Gun on me girl pan cock.
Yeah.
Papa me for the moms lean back. Beg strength till me weak now me no need it. Extend me keep ready for beat it.
Man say me beg strength till me weak now me no need it. You see me him a do it out and him good.
Beg strength till me weak now me no need it. Extend me keep ready for beat it.
Whoa.
Them girl on her knees playing with my penis. Just the center me creed make she get freaky.
Man said just the center the creed, just the center the cologne where him splash on. Make them girl get freaky. Cause member said she done dep on her knees. I play with him penis, you know. That's how the GS right. I said that me.
Them girl on her knees playing with my penis. Just the center me creed make she get freaky. Play like them a sing, send me the realest. But then off I believe, just pay the fees, please. Skipping bars, yes I made this.
Buckler, the man skip some bar this a while ago. And what I'm saying don't skipping bar, yes, so I'm do it intentionally if you make you know. Listen.
Like them a sing, send me the realest. But then off I believe, just pay the fees, please.
Watch out.
Skipping bars, yes I made it. Return I mommy. Return with the first way you burn time sunny. On the journey me learn said the world like bloody. Keep a burn up reserved and me third eye running. Return I mommy. Return I.
This body of fuck.
Return I.
Them friend.
Return I. Yo, it is if me, it is if it do it better. So me squeeze the trigger, me squeeze we release pressure. Play somebody you please fit tell this niggas man a beast and this a respect for deliver them a past life. Hard eyes from a dark fight. Resurrect, transform, not the past type. When me dip my rub the formula, we got hard time. Me thought time at the last time. Keep calm. Just game me, you play them upon. Me press play, make it 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. No chest play, no the deer, that's a gun. Fresh taste, blood clot in a palm. Wreck to no call 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Yeah.
Headspace, I'm a plan, piece a con. Them swears, I'm a gone till them here. Return I mommy. Return with the first way you burn time sunny. On the journey me learn said the world like bloody. Keep a burn up reserved and me third eye running. Return I mommy.
Return I, mommy. Return I, pussy
Return I.
Return I, mommy. Yo. Youth. Yo, the man a make a statement, bro. The man a make a statement in that one, dog. Return I, mommy, for real, dog. At this them no want to see it. That's what I must say now. I must say, yo, at this them no want to see them. Yo, them a try from high school days and them still can't get him out. Him they are same way. Man saying big strength until him never but a one no strength, dog. Like, the fuck, like, bro, like, what one? Like, you can't stop a thing. That's what the G say. Yo, return I, mommy, Devin the Dakta. I'm telling you, yo, I have to give the youth strength, bro. I have to give him strength, bro. I have to do it. I would be a pussy if me not do that. You see me? I would be a hypocrite and just there for the war song them alone. But me never know, yo, this fucking bad, bro. Like, what I say? Remember someone link down in the comment section. Why so much on not subscribe to the channel, bro? One link in the comment section. I'm a beg on in every video. I'm beg on dog. I'm not not do it. You can just click on the link and just subscribe to the next reaction channel for me, please. Please, me a beg on dog. I want to get to 1,000. Me there 700 and something. You can just get me. All right. You get me to 1,000 and then after the 1,000, me stop asking. I promise. Just get me to 1,000, please. Me beg you. Link down in the comment section, man. Just click on it for me, please. Yeah, man, please. All right? I'll catch you guys in the next one, though. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About do Mr. Capalat, you know.